That brings us to our second minigame. This is a minigame we like to call Take Some Direction. How it works, players, is I'm going to give you a famous line of dialogue to repeat one at a time. In between readings, I will give you micro direction in order to affect your performance. In other words, an acting challenge. Make sense? Your line is, from The Princess Bride, my name is Inigo Montoya, you killed my father, prepare to die.
Mandy Patinkin, the love of my life.
Josh, go.
My name is Inigo Montoya, you killed my father, prepare to die.
Anna, give me a little bit more.
My name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
Izzy, give me a little bit more.
My name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
Josh, with an odd inflection.
My name is Inigo Montoya, you killed my father, prepare to die.
Anna, it's a secret.
My name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
Izzy, in an extreme close-up.
My name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
Josh, to a non-English speaker.
My name is Inigo Montoya, you killed my father, prepare to die.
Anna, to someone on the phone while silently arguing with someone in the room.
My name is Inigo Montoya. I'm you killed my father. Hi. Prepare to die.
Izzy, on the verge of tears.
My name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
Josh, in a Saturday morning cartoon.
My name is Inigo Montoya, you killed my father, prepare to die.
Anna, in a one-person show on Broadway.
It's just another day, I thought. And then I remembered. My name is Inigo Montoya. It was sweet, you know. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
Izzy, enjoying a tall, cool Barks root beer.
My name's Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
Josh, a living statue that comes to life when someone puts $1 in its hat.
Hey, my name is Inigo Montoya, you killed my father, prepare to die.
Anna, giving a TED Talk.
My name is Inigo Montoya, right? We know this. This we know. You killed my father. We all killed my father, right? And this is some bad news.
And finally, is he giving a demonstration at Colonial Williamsburg?
My name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
And that's a minigame. Bravo, the three of you.